One of the kids got to get checked up. It's like their daily, not their daily checkup, their like every month checkup, or what kind of checkup is it?
He has to go every 4 months.
Every 4 months they got to get checked up, so he's going to get checked up. And it's Benny. The real it's Benny. Not really.
It's cooling down.
After that, we're going to head over to the shop. We got a couple things to take care of there. Rick's shop, so
Yeah, mama.
let's get the day going. They didn't stop the stairs here. We gotta go down. Gotta go back up. We just got finished up. We finished up, but Jamie got peed on. Bye, Benny. A lot on her side. Let's go, Sochi. Your mom needs to shower. Brought down these fenders right here. Right here, they are OEM fenders. I got these for free on Facebook Marketplace. We changed the hood on the S2000. We went back to OEM. We're gonna put on the OEM fenders because OEM is just better fitment overall compared to aftermarket. With the aftermarket, we're having to really make a lot of drastic changes, and it's kind of like starting to get annoying. We're gonna debate to see if we change the direction completely for this car today, if we go EM, or we're gonna stay with how we're going, the direction we're going on. That is today's goal, is to see what direction we want to go in. Woo! This is where things start to get tricky, because this just fits, it's OEM. It doesn't get any better. It's OEM. The fitment is perfect. The spacing is amazing. It's just great overall. But with the original idea that we're going with, a lot of other changes had to be made to the front bumper, which now don't line up with the OEM fenders. That's where things get a little tricky. Contrario a lo que diga Luis. Él es fuerte, Luis, no digas eso. This is where we're at with the OEM stuff on the car now. Everything kind of just lines up perfectly. It looks way better. I don't know. There's just something about it. We're gonna possibly add to this hood though to give it a little bit more character, something subtle, nothing too crazy. We're still deciding what we're gonna do. As you can kind of see already, those lines that are marked in there. It's looking way better than the aftermarket that we got. This is the direction we're gonna go with. We're gonna go with OEM. And this is where we come to a stop with the S2000. Right now I'm gonna head over. I got a game to get to. I got Padres. We're gonna go watch them play and see how they do. you know, can get a little rough sometimes. But we're gonna put a pause on here. Let's get to the game. We made it to the game, Toy Story night.